Good evening, mate. Now it's 11:50, and this is the sun. This is the moon there, and this night is 20th of moon calendar. We call it Shaban. This month called Shaban. It's like like 70%, something like that. But the point is, look where the direction of light or the moon is pointing to. It's pointing to almost northeast. That's where it is pointing, northeast. And sun just 4 hours left from me, 7:15. You can say 4 hours 40 minutes. 4 hours 40 minutes. Look to the moon where it's pointing. Oh my god. So is the sun perpendicular to the moon direction? This is my question. If moon is always directing to the sun, it is, my theory says it is pointing always to the sun. Where is the sun? It's always pointing to there. So if this is the moon direction, and if I know now it's your say 10 minutes to 6, that means the moon has to the sun has to, like, I will not say shining, raising, but I don't know, I have to check the sunrise time for your place, mate. Australia at Queensland. We can say like for approximately Brisbane. If now the sun is rising there, that means big thing. That means you are at northeast of me, because sun is pointing there. Moon is pointing there, and it will never set. Now, as per my timing, the moon is still there. You can see it. Maybe the light is there, but moon has to be still appearing at your place. If there is sort of synchronicity, that means simultaneously I can just record that one, and you are at the same time recording it. It will say a lot. Moon is always pointing to the sun with its own light, so it's pointing to the direction of the sun. So you need to put the sun on the middle of the pointing where the moon is pointing to. So I think, mate, sun has to be at your rising point, but of you, but it has to point to the place where it comes from, which is northeast, and it comes towards to you. Now it's your winter time. That means your daylight is shorter than night. So dark night means more than daylight time, due to season change. Within 1.5 months, I believe you are going to get, or almost 1 month, you can say 1 month, you are almost getting winter, peak of the winter, or starting of winter at your region, and it will be here almost summertime after 1 month 5 days. This is the one that Sam, I want to share with you. The moon position, direction which is always has to be pointing to the sun. It's always pointing to the sun. If we just pretend that we can just sketch a straight line dividing moon from the middle expected point, which I can figure it out, and that one has to direct pointing to the sun itself, the magnetism that we already spoke about. Then the sun, it's already past the northern line axis, and now it is there and starting to shine, rise at you, which is northeast. It's really weird, mate, because always moon is pointing to the sun with its own light. If it's got far away from sun, it will illuminate fully at the fastest point. Too close to the sun, the light will be disappearing. This is my point, mate, and I want just to share it with you guys, all of you who's following me on that YouTube channel. Think about moon, guys, especially those nights, those time until moon disappears on 29th or 30th. Most likely 30th. Moon will be disappearing, not visible at all. So this is the thing that I would like to share with you guys. Here the moon. Here the moon. Always it's pointing to the sun. It's always pointing to the sun. Always. Since it is always pointing to the sun, we can predict sun location. We can predict sun location. This is my theory, guys. We can predict sun location, which is almost beneath the axis that we are talking about. It's another axis, means another level, elevation. So we are not getting the light of sun, but other places are getting the light, like America and soon Sam at Queensland, at Australia. It's a little bit weird, but this is what we have, guys. This is the fact, observable information that we do have. It's purely observable, undeniable fact. Look to the moon. Always try to follow the moon. You will reveal the truth. That's all, guys. Bye. Salih Al Wahdi, Flat Earth Organization.